Hi, and welcome to Cultivate. Cultivate is a web-based application designed, managed, and powered by Wildworks. It helps you to contribute to the collective ambition of your business by maintaining momentum and focus every day. Cultivate helps organisations, leaders, and people to continuously evolve. It does this by tracking and supporting the achievement of short, medium, and long-term goals. The areas of focus are what your business needs to do collectively over the medium term to progress towards the long-term ambition. Each area of focus is broken down into priorities. Priorities are short-term groups of activity or milestones that can have a specific due date. Cultivate encourages collective as well as individual contribution by allowing you to set personal goals against any of the priorities determined by senior leadership. Cultivate is a tool to build agility, engagement, and momentum for any business. So let's get started. Chapter 1. How to log in. To begin with, let's find out how to get to the login page. An email has been sent to you providing an introduction about Cultivate and a link to this login page. Your username and password will be located in this email too. Once you have reached the login page, you should right-click and save to favourites, or bookmark the link to ensure you can easily access Cultivate in the future. Click Remember Me, and log in. Chapter 2. How to view the dashboard. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. This tab is the heart of the application, where Cultivate allows you or any other user to monitor your organisation's progress. This large graph displays the progress of each area of focus that have been determined by your senior leadership. The colour of each line displays the progress of each area of focus. In this instance, the yellow line is progressing the most. They are advanced by the completion of the priorities within them. Progress of these priorities is determined by how many personal goals have been set and completed. These windows show statistics to provide further insights to how quickly momentum is being built. This visual displays the top 4 performers within your organisation, those who have completed the most personal goals. This is the gamification element of Cultivate, and it encourages constructive competition. Please note that Wildworks will set up everything you need, including the initial areas of focus, priorities, and users. Wildworks will also oversee and help manage Cultivate every step of the way. Chapter 3. How to view the philosophy and ambition. This tab acts as a reference point for all users. These settings are determined by your senior leadership. In this example, the purpose is the reason why your organisation exists. The ambition refers to the tangible goal that your organisation wants to achieve long term. Chapter 4. How to view the areas of focus. An area of focus is a lens applied to the business activities over a medium term to help your organisation move towards its vision or ambition. Below each area of focus is a number of priorities that the leadership of your business has set up. This is a great way to view the progress that each area of focus is making to help your organisation move towards its goals. Chapter 5. How to view priorities within an area of focus. The next tab allows you to view the priorities set by your senior leadership and gives you the option to get started adding your own personal goals. Click any of these icons to view more information about a given priority. Here you can see whether the priority is currently in progress or not, or whether it is being completed. The weighting number displays how critical this priority is against the others within the area of focus. The percentage complete is calculated by how many goals have been set and completed within that priority. Or, alternatively, your senior leadership can manually override the completion status. Chapter 6. How to add your personal goals. This section is a way for you to contribute to your organisation's vision, highlighting what you as an individual can do for your business's goals. The personal goals section allows you to set multiple goals to the priority of your choice. These goals can only be seen by you and your senior leaders that have been appointed to authorised users. Click the Create button to get started. Select an area of focus to narrow it down. Now select a priority. Type in a basic description of your personal goal. When would you like to complete this personal goal? How will you know when this goal is complete? Now select whether it is not started, in progress, or completed. And you've created a personal goal. To find this personal goal in the future, you can use these drop-downs to find your search. Chapter 7: How to view and assign KPIs. The Key Performance Indicator section, or the KPI tab, allows you to view and manage a list of all your KPIs. This tab is only for reference and can be related to your personal goals. Now, let's assign a personal goal to a KPI. Click the Personal Goals tab, and then press Assign KPI. Check the box, click Save, and you're all done. Chapter 8: How to respond to check-ins. This section is used by your senior leadership users to send you check-ins to keep in touch with your progress. Check-ins can be in the form of questions or just text information. If check-ins have questions, as a user you're asked to respond. Click any of these icons to respond to a given check-in. Type your reply, click Save, and you've checked in. You'll receive check-in notifications here in the Notifications tab, and also here on the dashboard. Chapter 9: How to create a post. Cultivate allows you to post relevant and interesting content on a feed shared between you and your colleagues. The posts appear from most recent to least recent and can typically display photos, messages, links to articles or videos for all users to enjoy. Click Create to get started. Type in a post title. Now select what type of post it is. Describe your post. Press Enter. Now click Save. Before your post is uploaded, senior leadership will approve it. To manage your post, click the Manage My Post tab. You can edit it here. Make the changes you're after, and click Save. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now have a greater understanding of the Cultivate digital platform. For any further questions, please contact Wildworks or email us at support@cultivatetool.com.